We've been learning about the force of gravity.
Gravity is an invisible force.
Gravity pulls everything down.
Gravity holds us in place so we are not floating in space.
We made some paper helicopters to show how the forces of lift and thrust slow down the force of gravity.
Throwing up our helicopters shows the force of thrust.
The blade on our helicopters shows the force of lift.
Here is how our helicopters work.
We made some changes to our helicopters
To see how they work.
What changes are you two doing?
We're putting weight on our helicopter.
Do you think that's going to work?
Yes.
Okay. So, Manueta's got 2 paper clips and Amani's got 1 paper clip. Let's see which ones work best. Which one works best? Okay, go boys. Whose was faster? Oh, so the more weight on it.
The more faster it gets.
All right. Stand on the chair and drop it from a height. Oh, wait a minute. I'll have a look at yours. Oh, you've put how many paper clips?
I put 2 paper clips on my helicopter.
Okay, well, watch yours first by itself. How did that work?
Fast.
Okay. So, Wanuku, what have you got on yours? What change have you made?
I made a chain
A chain of paper
made out
clips.
of paper clips.
Oh.
So that just had drag, didn't it?
Okay, drop
Just
it.
dragged it down really fast. Go. Wow.
Obviously,
It was still spinning though.
I'm dropping mine upside down.
Oh, what happened? Did it work?
No.
So upside down's no good.